What's the meaning of chief executive? Chief executive. Chief executive.
Chief executive. Chief executive. Chief executive is a term used to describe the topmost executive in an organization who is responsible for making important business decisions and overseeing the overall direction of the company. This person is typically the highest-ranking officer and has the authority to direct the work of other executives in the organization. The chief executive is ultimately responsible for the success or failure of the organization and must possess strong leadership skills, strategic thinking ability, and solid business acumen to effectively manage the company's operations and achieve its goals.